Hello and welcome to the Philippines. I've got a friend who has a one-bedroom condo for rent. Uh, this is in Queensland Manor condominiums. It's near Mango Avenue. That building right over there, that's Spianata Condominiums. If you look further over there, that is Ayala mall in the Cebu Business District, not so far away. I walked over there. The tall building there is Horizon 101. The tallest building is 50 some stories high, condominium building. The second building there, I'm not sure. And not too far of a walk up here. Out the street gets a lot of taxis. A lot of taxis often park down here. They eat at some of the little restaurants down here. Sorry stores and such. But anyway, it's got a nice covered pool. I think it's a 17-story building, I believe. There is a roof deck. I'll show you a little bit of that. There's a roof deck with laundry cages. Hardly anybody uses those laundry cages. There's a few people. You can put your wet laundry in there to let it dry in the breeze. And a nice pool area. And they've got a men's and women's locker room changing area. Got some lockers here. You can lock your valuables in if you wish. Got some showers. Got a CR bathroom area. And one of the few condominiums that I've seen that are well equipped with these kind of things, even in the condo units, in the bathrooms, they have the counter space in the bathroom, which is nice. A lot of times, all you get is a sink. Makes it a little bit challenging if you want to store anything. You know, your toothbrushes and makeup material, whatever you want to store in the bathroom. And nice area out here. They provide free Wi-Fi in this area, so a lot of people come down into this area and work. I've lived here for almost 2 years, so I know a little bit about the place. And gym down here, um, some free weights, some other types of weights that you can use. I did have one complaint, and they tell me they have a project to replace some of this. There are a few pieces of equipment here that are not operating. I believe I could fix those, but I'm not going to get involved and have liability on my hands. But some of it just means attaching a proper cable to the weights, and wouldn't take very much just to fix it. But I've been told they've got a project to replace. They've got something like Zumba. I've been down here a few times, and they've had a class of mostly girls being led by somebody in a cardio cardio program, I believe. I think somebody putting on a. I think they do a little yoga down here as well. Not sure of the exact dates, but anyway, here's a look at the one bedroom. 40 square meters, a little over 400 square feet. It's got a stove, uh, which is unusual to have a stove. Usually you get a one burner stovetop type thing, and a microwave built in. A lot more cabinet storage. This is an induction cooker that's about all you get in a lot of condominiums that are furnished or partially furnished. A good size refrigerator, and yeah, the 5 gallons of water. I think that cost me about 40 pesos, about 80 cents, and it lasts me about 5 days. And you got a little that little love seat, whatever you want to call it, foam will fold out if somebody wants to use it as a bed. Got company and decent sized and nice kitchen table there. That is a Wi-Fi unit. It does not come with Wi-Fi in the room itself at this point in time. And got your electrical box up there if you want. You got louvered. You got a window there you can open if you want the breeze to flow through. And sometimes in my unit, very similar to this, sometimes it has a washing machine, washing and spin, and then you would need to dry your stuff, of course. Probably hang it out on the balcony, and I'll show you the balcony. Pretty decent sized balcony, something that is very rare. Many condominiums in Cebu City, Mandaue City area. And there again, you've got this is I believe it's pretty well fully furnished. Got a mirror that's been mounted a little higher now, and a nice counter space. So you could put some additional storage area there. You got shower, you got a bathtub, and check the water pressure. Is no problem with the water pressure. The hot water heater is oftentimes it's located in the shower itself. This one is not located in the shower. It's located on the opposite side, so you don't have to worry about that getting wet. Any electrical issues there. And I believe, I'm not 100% positive, but I believe one of the few cases you actually have hot water at the sink. Take a little while to run it. Sink in the kitchen. Take a little while to run it to get the hot water there. But here they've got a wall in there, and here is the one bedroom. Now most studios in the Philippines, anything built in the last 7, 8, 9 years, is about 22 square meters, 20 to 22, 23. And got some storage cabinets here. So you've got 40 square meters, a little over 400 square feet. So take your meters, divide or multiply by 10. It gives you a ballpark number about how many square feet you'll have. It'll actually be a little bit more, but that's an easy way to compute it. I've got PLDT in my unit, PLDT Internet Fiber, and I'm not sure if fiber is available in every unit. I believe it probably is, but they've got that is it's what's called it's got a limited number of channels anyway, and I'm not sure. I don't use that, so I'm not sure how many channels are on there. And you got louvered windows up there as well. If you want to, got split type aircon units, which is nice. My unit keeps me very, very, very cool. Got a light out here, got electric out here, and quite a bit of space if you want to put a table out here. And the air conditioner is set up high enough so it doesn't get in your way. And pretty nice view, sea view. That is Robinson's Galleria over there in the distance. And go further, you go over to Mandaue over in that direction. You're very close to Mango Square area, the Fuente Circle area. You're not very far from the downtown Cologne Street area. Ayala Mall isn't very far. I walk to Ayala Mall quite often. It takes me about 20 minutes. A taxi ride is usually about 70 pesos, about $1.40 to go to Ayala Mall. If I want to go downtown, maybe 100 pesos, about $2. So you're kind of centrally located. SM Mall might be 100 to just a little over 100 pesos to go to SM Mall. There is a bar on the third floor. There is a spa on the third floor. There is a restaurant or two on the third floor as well. That's where the pool area is, and with the free Wi-Fi. Got a church down there, and Spionata. I would have rented over there a couple years ago instead of here. but the people would not negotiate. So I went, and it wasn't that well furnished. And my unit is laid out just like this, and it's the air conditioning that comes from the bedroom into the living room area actually does a very good job. There's no problem. I thought maybe I would need a fan to move some of that air in, but absolutely no problem. Comes right out of that door and a little bit over the top of that opening there. I have rearranged furniture in my place a little bit different than this, but anyway, lots of cabinet space, which is there again, it's uncommon. I am paying 20,000 pesos for my unit, about 400 US dollars, and the exchange rate dollar to peso has been going up too. It's this morning it was about 50 pesos, so almost exactly 400 US dollars. My electric runs 22,500 to I think the highest was about 3,700 pesos. And to get the dollars or your currency, just divide by that. So divide by 50 will give you the number in your currency. Divide by your currency exchange rate. What else can I tell you? I like it. My Wi-Fi is very fast. I pay 1,700 pesos for fiber internet at 25 megabytes per second, and I actually get much faster than that. They've been giving us, in fact, a lot of times it's over. And this is on the third floor. This is the bar area. Got quite a bit of seating outside and seating inside. They've got, I think, at least one pool table inside. And billiards is very popular here in the Philippines. There's a few bars that have them, and there's always a lineup of people. You can even find them at like SM Mall up by the bowling alley area. They've got a number of pool tables, billiard tables as well. Used to be a church down at the end down here. Haven't seen them around for a while. You got a spa right next door here, and you got down at the end there where the people are. You've got the Chongqing Chinese hot pot restaurant that opened a little over a year ago, I think, and they are open presently. And let's go up on the roof deck, and this is the view over that way. There again, you got Spianata condos, and then you've got the Cebu Business Park over there, and that is where the big Ayala Mall area is. So not too far to walk over there, about 20 minutes for me. And the area around here, you've got several sari stores, convenience stores nearby. Just down the street, around the corner, you've got 7-Eleven. You've got a Vietnamese restaurant, a couple other restaurants. So you're not too far away from. You've got the old El Gecko. Now the Howling Dog Bar is only, let's see, 1, 2, 3, maybe 3.5, 4 blocks from here. Go down this street, take a left at the main street, and walk down there just a bit. And you're at the El Gecko, now Howling Dog Bar. My email address will be in the first pinned comment. And if anybody is interested, I like this. I get more for my money, basically. For at Queensland, you get bigger spaces. A lot of these newer condominiums they've downsized, so there's an opportunity to get a little more space, and could be a good opportunity for somebody to get a decent deal on that as well. And some maintenance scaffolding here. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you next time.